Okay, so after my little problem in Wales where the Avata kept stalling and it wasn't responding to the motion controller, I got home and I connected it to DJI Assistant, and it was telling me there was an error with the map data, which I've never seen before. So it allowed me to update it, and I've come down to our local park with my mate Mike from the village, and we're going to test it and hopefully it will be okay. Am I all clear?
Yep. Works alright.
I'll fly around this goalpost. I'm going to go, is there anybody over at the skate park?
No.
Because if I can get through the tunnel in the skate park, then I know it's probably okay.
Can't even see it now.
I'm just coming up. Yeah, that seems to be responding much better.
Can hear it, just can't see it.
I'm right in front of us now, just coming down the football pitch. I'm going over to our left. Going to go behind those goals.
Oh, I can see it.
Yep, it is responding much better than what it did when I was up in Wales last week. Along the back here, and I think that's test over really.
Good old Assistant 2.
Yeah. Now after what it did to me last week, I did, or have lost confidence in it a little bit. Because it shouldn't be doing that. And I've got no fear whatsoever of flying over water with any drone. And as you know, with the Avata, I've flown pretty low when we've been filming the dinghy racing and stuff. But it's just, I just lost confidence in it. But no, that's going through much better now. Right, I'm going to bring it back now, but I'm going to bring it back low, scaring all the pigeons.